Hi, boys and girls. This is lesson number 98 in our simple solutions. So we will start with number 1. Draw the hands on the clock to show 2:30. So 2:30. So first thing I'm going to think about is I'm actually going to start with the minutes, 30. So that means that the minute hand, the long hand, is going to go all the way down to the 6. And then the 2:30 means that it is just past 2. It's not directly on the 2. So it has to be a little bit past the 2 and not quite all the way to touch it. So it's in between the 2 and the 3. So that is 2:30. Number 2, fill in the missing numbers. 7 plus blank equals 12. So I'm going to count up. 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, and I made 5 counters. So 7 plus 5 equals 12. When I have the answer here, and I see that this has a 12 and a 7 also, then I know that my other number for my fact family is a 5. So if 7 plus 5 equals 12, then 12 minus the 7 equals 5. It's just a different way with the number bond. Number 3 and 4, add the ones and then the tens. Write the sum. So this is a double-digit addition. 32 plus 24 equals. So they told us the steps to take. Add the ones. So that's what we're going to do first. So we have to know that this is the ones, right? So 2 plus 4. And here they are to use as counters. So we know that there's 4 over here, and that's bigger. So we're going to 4, 5, 6. So the ones equal 6. And then add the tens. So now we have 3, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So we have a 5 for the 50. So 32 plus 24 equals 56. Number 5, quarters and halves are shown. Which has one part shaded out of 2 equal parts? So this has one part, but there are 1, 2, 3, 4 total. And this has one part, and there are 2 parts total. So this has one part shaded out of 2 equal parts. That's 1/2. Number 6, which subtraction sentence is true? 10 minus 4 equals 7. Well, hopefully we know our partners of 10, and 4 and 7 are not partners of 10. If you don't know them, then you would have to count on or count back, whichever way you use, to find the answer. So 10 minus 4 would be 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. So that is not true. 8 minus 3 equals 6. Again, we'll have to count back. 8, 7, 6, 5. So that is not true. 11 minus 6 equals 5. 4, 5, 6, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. So that one is true. 11 minus 6 does equal 5. And you can use your number line or your fingers or drawings or whatever helps you to subtract and get that answer. Okay, so now number 7 and 8. Use the tens to help you subtract. Write the difference. So Big Daddy's here, so we started with 80. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. And we're taking away. They've crossed out 60. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So those are crossed out. So we're left with the difference is 10, 20. So 80 minus 60 equals 20. Number 9, choose the correct sign. 82 is equal to, 82 is greater than, or 82 is less than 93. So 82, is it greater than, equal to, or less than? 82 is less than 93, which means we have to choose the one where the alligator mouth opens up to eat the bigger number. Number 10, start at 14, count back 1. 14, count back 1. What comes right before 14? 14, 13. So 14 minus 1 equals 13. Number 11 and 12. Choose a strategy. Circle 2 add-ins to add first. So when I look at the numbers, 4, 1, and 6, right away, there isn't any that are doubles. So I'm going to make a 10. So I know that 4 and 6 are partners are 10. So 10 plus 1 more, 10, 11. So 4 plus 1 plus 6 equals 11. The next one, 5, 5, and 4. Well, I know that 5 plus 5 is 10. They are doubles and partners of 10. And then 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 5 plus 5 plus 4 equals 14. 2 plus 3 plus 7. There aren't any doubles, so I'm going to make a 10. And the partners of 10 are 3 and 7. So 3 and 7 and 2 more. So 3 plus 7 equals 10, 11, 12. And 3 plus 5 plus 3. Well, we have our doubles, so that's where we'll start. So 3 plus 3 equals 6, and we'll count on 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to run out of space. I'm going to put it down there. 5. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 3 plus 5 plus 3 equals 11. So that's the end of our lesson today, lesson 98. See you next time.